This video is going to be a quick overview of the Full Truck app. It's designed for independent food delivery drivers, direct store delivery. If you're tired of making phone calls, playing phone tag with customers, this is the app for you. If you want more in-depth guides, check out the rest of our channel, but this is going to be a quick overview. Alright, so we're going to upload a catalog. You can either choose to upload a file or take a picture of the invoice, one page at a time, so you get the most accurate results. Once you have the catalog uploaded, it will break everything down by category. You can see beverages, condiments, dairy, etc. On the screen we can add prices. It's an option, you don't have to do it. A lot of guys choose not to. You can also set a global markup percentage, whether it's 10, 20%, it's up to you. The customer will only see their price, not the invoice cost. Here we have the customer screen. Customers will receive a text message from you with the link to their individual page where they will see their orders. You can choose to send it immediately, or you can just set it and automate it. This one's set for Tuesdays at 9 p.m. and you can also schedule a reminder. This one's scheduled for 1 hour wait before it sends another reminder. When orders come in, you'll see them here. You can then group for that day, for that week, it's up to you. And it'll give you an inventory list of everything needed, which you can then print out, and we'll break it up by customer, and then also just give you the total you need in quantity.